What if one compact device could replace your oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator and still fit on your desk or in your backpack? Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the Fnirsi 2D15P, a 3-in-1 test instrument with a 100 MHz oscilloscope, True RMS multimeter, and built-in signal generator. Let's see if it's actually worth your money. If you work with electronics, repairs, or DIY projects, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get started. Inside the box, we get the Fnirsi 2D15P unit itself, and right away it feels solid and compact. Two P6-100 oscilloscope probes, multimeter test leads, red and black, alligator clip probe, USB Type-C charging and data cable, a detailed user manual. Everything you need to start measuring and testing is already included, no extra accessories required. The 2D15P features a 4.3-inch IPS touchscreen combined with physical buttons, which is great when you're wearing gloves or working on a bench. Compact and lightweight design, about 30% lighter than traditional bench scopes. Solid plastic body with rubberized feel. Front, screen plus control buttons. Top, multimeter probe inputs connector. Side, power on and off button. Back, foldable stand. And yes, it has a built-in 5,000 mAh battery with USB-C charging, making it perfect for fieldwork. Now let's talk about the main feature, the oscilloscope. On-screen highlights, dual-channel input, 100 MHz bandwidth, single channel, 500 megasamples per second sampling rate, memory depth, 10K, 100K, or 1M. Time base, 5 nanoseconds to 50 seconds. You also get phosphor-style display with 128-level grayscale and color temperature mode, which makes waveform behavior much easier to understand. Trigger modes, auto, normal, single. Rising and falling edge trigger, cursor measurement, auto measurements. There's also math functions like add, subtract, multiply, and divide, very useful when comparing signals. Multimeter mode. Next, the built-in True RMS multimeter. Specs shown on screen. 19,999 count resolution. AC-DC voltage up to 1,000 volts DC. Current up to 9.999 amps. Resistance, capacitance, diode, continuity, all available. This replaces a standalone multimeter for most daily electronics and electrical tasks, and accuracy is solid. Signal Generator. The third tool is the built-in DDS Signal Generator. Features: frequency range 0 to 10 MHz, up to 11 waveforms, adjustable amplitude and duty cycle. For testing amplifiers, filters, or digital circuits, this is extremely convenient. The interface is responsive, the touch gestures feel smooth, and waveform saving and export work well over USB. Curve view and trend graphs, waveform save and export, stable FPGA plus MCU architecture. Pros and cons. Pros: 3-in-1 convenience, bright IPS touchscreen, battery-powered plus USB-C, phosphor display and XY mode, excellent value for money. Cons: signal generator limited to 3 VPP, single channel generator, not a replacement for high-end lab scopes. The Fnirsi 2D15P is an excellent all-in-one tool for makers, students, repair technicians, and electronics enthusiasts. It won't replace a $1,000 lab oscilloscope, but for its size, features, and price, it's incredibly impressive. If you're interested in this device, you'll find the purchase link in the description. Use discount code WAIT6% to get an exclusive discount. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more electronics content, and let me know in the comments, would you use this as your main test tool?